Hello friends, welcome to my channel One More Stitch. Today we're going to make this beautiful headband. My yarn is cotton crochet. Let's put it the right way. You can see the pattern is really pretty. It's simple to make and easy, but it's pretty. Okay, it's so small that it's not that easy. The yarn is cotton crochet, 100% cotton. My hook is 0.5 millimeters, I think. So it's pretty small. Start by making the first starter loop to your hook and then chain 5. Here I'm screwing it up soon, you can see, and I'm starting it again. Yep, but it's okay. Crochet is very forgiving. And excuse me for not being in the screen or in the shots all the time. I'm not pro at making these videos. You can probably tell. Okay, so chain 5 and then so that you get 4 single crochets to your row. Insert your hook where it needs to go, not the first, but the next one. And so that you get 4. You can of course, you can do a larger brim or wider, then just add the chain, do more chains if you like it wider. In the end, you can give a bit of a tuck and then chain 1 and turn. Here you're going to use just the outer loop, so not through it all, just the outer. So insert in the middle, yarn through and through 2. So single crochets again all the way. And for my size, which is about medium, I'm going to make 160 plus 1 for the seam, but the pattern is divisible by 5, so you can easily add or subtract the rows as you need it, and then just add 1 to close the seam or make it nice. Chain 1 in the end and then turn and do it again. Maybe here in the corner end you can give a bit of a tuck to it, find it there from its hiding place. So here we are in the end. I'm going to weave in these ends. So take your ends and make sure that your piece is aligned so that it's not twisted. And my it doesn't really matter which, but I'm going to insert it from these both now. Not like we did the brim, but through both now. So that we get a bit firmer look. And then just the inner ones. Maybe you can see, I hope you can see, this is a bit small. But just the inner loops. And one from there. So then you'll get this nice look to it. And the last one. Pull through and then chain 1 or 2. Sorry, chain 2. And then we're going to turn this thing to make it the right way. And here you can see these little holes are in the top, on the top. So we're going to use those ones. Next, we're going to skip 4 and to the 5th space, 3 double crochets. So to the 5th space, it's there, this one. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, and 3 double crochets to the same space. So 3 double crochets, then you chain 2, and then you make 3 double crochets to the same space, and that's it. That is the pattern. Here 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and 3 double crochet, and then you skip 4 again. So you see these, maybe you see them little holes, not that one but the next one, and there, and you don't need to count anymore, just look the upper holes and use those. 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets, and that is the pattern, and that's what we're going to do the whole round, and I will meet you in the end. Okay, so here we are in the end, done my last crochets. I'm sorry you cannot see this, it shows better in the next round, but just to the space there, not through the chain, but to the space where is the 2 chains, you make slip stitch to join, and then just chain 2 and repeat. And here is even easier because you already you see the tops, and you're just gonna insert your hook into those. You're gonna make on top of the older ones. So 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets, and you can make just one row. It's beautiful like that too, or you can make a bit wider. I like the 3 row. You can make even wider if you want to, whatever you want. Here we are in the end again. Here you can see it better. So just insert into that space. And then again, chain 2. And to the top. And that's it. Now we are in the end again. So only slip stitch through that space. Pull through. And then I chain 1 and cut the yarn. Of course it's not working now. I chain 1 and then I cut the yarn. Then just weave in your ends how you want them. You can also make little flowers. I'm sure somebody has a tutorial on how to make little flowers on crochet. And that is it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining. Thank you for doing. Not for commercial use, obviously. Please like and subscribe and share and check out my bear designs at tarobear.com.